Finally, dumating na rin yung bagong headset natin. Kaya tara, let's unbox it. For its packaging, napaka-solid dahil sinigurado ba naman ng seller na safe makakarating sa atin. By the way guys, I bought this from Game 1 sa Orange Shop and I'm sure na sa mga gamers out there, alam na alam yung shop na yan. Then we have here a receipt. Here is the box and let's open it na. So this is what's inside the box. We have here the manual. I'm sure hindi naman natin yan babasahin, di ba? Finally, the headset. Sobrang solid guys. I like the color. Kahit sino naman ata magagandaan sa kulay nito. Matte black ata to if I'm not mistaken. Ang ganda niya sa feeling. At carbon lottie. Grabe ang solid guys, legit. Would you look at this? Feels like premium, no? Then we have here its connector. And Type-C pala yung headset guys. Then we have the microphone. Then a receiver, I guess. And I don't know kung anong tawag dito. Maybe an USB extender ata. Basta yeah guys, I don't know. Then an AUX. I'm not sure guys kung AUX ba talagang tawag dyan. And that is all in the box. Sobrang dami no? And the reason why itong headset yung binili ko, may nakita ko dun sa gym na gumagamit na itong Razer Barracuda X. Tinanong ko kung anong gamit niyang headset and sinabi niya, eto daw, Razer Barracuda X. Sabi ko, why not ako rin? Try ko rin bumili kasi may gumagamit rin. And ang feedback niya rin naman dito is napakaganda. Solid to solid yung base. Kaya nga naman, bumili na tayo nito. Wala naman, para may headset naman tayo sa gym kasi meron na tayong AirPods, so why not bili rin tayo ng headset. Yes guys, I've been using an AirPods and parang namimiss ko lang kasi magkaroon ng headset since I had one and right now sira na yun dahil di ko na nagagamit masyado and it was a Razer also. Kwento ko lang, because of my first Razer headset, doon ko nahiligan na makinig sa mga music because of its bass. Like, completely different siya from other headphones. And that headset was the Razer Kraken Pro version 2. And this headset na binili ko was the Razer Barracuda X. Alam niyo yung pagkalagay ko pa lang, napaka-comfortable niya sa tenga. Which is good sa isang headset. Talagang premium na premium yung quality niya. Mabango yung amoy. Talagang bagong-bago. Talaga bago siya. I bought this since I can just detach the microphone whenever I want. And para naman hindi awkward tingnan na may microphone kapag nasa labas ako tapos nag-headset ako. And speaking of microphone, why not let's try its microphone kung okay nga ba? Bale, nagko-connect na tayo. Then yan, connected na. Hello guys, so this is the audio from iPhone 15 Pro Max. Hi guys, so this is my voice using the Razer Barracuda X. Or this is the microphone ng Razer Barracuda X and sana okay naman siya. As in, good quality naman. Maganda gamitin, lalo na sa mga recording stuff. Lalo na pa naglalaro kapag kausap yung kaibigan. And yeah, yun lang. Maganda gamitin, lalo na sa mga recording stuff. Lalo na pa naglalaro kapag kausap yung kaibigan. Alam nyo guys, nung narinig ko ito, yung microphone ng Razer Barracuda X, para siyang ano eh, yung alam mo yung sumikat na sa payphone. Parang ganun yung microphone, yung parang sa Logitech G3 405 ata yun. Hindi ko alam. Now let's listen to its sound quality. Grabe yung noise cancellation niya. Talagang worth it sa pera na binayad natin. If you guys are wondering kung nasa how much nga yung binayaran natin dito, it's like 4,500 pesos. And for its price, napaka worth it netong headset na to. Since ang ganda ng kanyang sound quality, I like the bass, at talagang pwede natin to gamitin pang gym. About its battery life, sabi nung tropa ko doon, if I'm not mistaken, nasa 30 plus hours. Basta nagdadalawang araw daw. Sabi niya, like yung parang average use niya. On my average use on this headset, mag-iisang buwan na since nung final charge ko to. Hindi ko pa rin siya china-charge hanggang ngayon. So I can definitely say na solid to solid yung battery life na ito. By the way guys, ginagamit ko lang kasi itong headset na to tuwing mag-gym ako. And this also has an app that you can guys download sa App Store. And marami dyan mga mode na pwede yung pagpilian, like gaming mode. At kapag punta nga pala kayo dito sa equalizer, marami rin kayo dito pwedeng pilian na presets and pwede rin kayo mag-customize dito. At syempre guys, wag na wag nyo kakalimutan mag-like at mag-subscribe. Mwah!